Hey everyone, we've got a fresh update for you all. To begin, let's sign up for a trial version to see what it's like. You can use this plan with both Gutenberg and WordPress. This update is a revolution for UIBrainX when we can export data to Carousel and Accordion effects. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you got your inspiration website. I will showcase how UIBrainX develops a homepage that aligns with this design. This way, we can quickly come up with ideas for our clients. Now access your UIBrainX account. Create a new project. I'll name this one Matcha as an example. In this stage, you can either choose from the available templates that we've created, or start from scratch and build your own. So here's the UIBrainX interface. This is where you drop your prompts. And this preview area, where your real-time website output shows up. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can export your website directly page builders. Right now, I'll ask UIBrainX to get inspired by my preferred website. Copy the source URL. Next, type your prompt with that link. Hit enter and let UIBrainX do its thing. Alright, UIBrainX is now writing the code in the background using Tailwind CSS. Let's wait a few minutes for it to process. You can see the results significantly appear. Here's the final result. You can scroll down to check it or open full preview. To compare with the source site, I split into two screens. The right part for our results, and the left for the original site. You see, the new hero section is quite good. I'll just go through each part one at a time, so you can check out how this tool comes up with new designs. From this section, we recognize the layout designs that were different from each other. You can totally ask AI to whip up the same design or even get more specific with what you want by giving it a prompt. Just typing your requests, the more specific, the better the results. Check out the slider carousel in the products section. This is one of our new features in this update. It's pretty cool in output. We will delve into conversion page builder results in the next part. Similarly, we got a slider carousel in the testimonial part. One more, you can ask AI to create the same as in the original design or depending on your idea. Another notable feature is the accordion effect utilized in the facts section. An enhancement when UIBrainX adds a dynamic effect compared with static design. Now, I'll get back UIBrainX dashboard. Here, you can change any elements, layout, and contents in multiple ways. You can just send a message to AI or tweak the coding yourself if you want. Utilize our additional controls to identify desired elements. You can customize parameters like margins, paddings, change image URL, or delete it. Don't forget to check if it's responsive too. Honestly, it would take many hours to build all of this manually. And here we have it in under 5 minutes. The result is even better than I expected. At this point, I'll transfer the homepage to Elementor by clicking Export. Before you paste anything, make sure the necessary plugin is installed and the flex box is enabled. Activating this feature will improve the output structure significantly. Click Export and your data will be copied to the clipboard. After that, head into Elementor and paste it directly into the canvas. Right-click and choose Paste from another site. Confirm by pressing Ctrl or Command and V. Give it a second and just like that, the entire layout appears. All native Elementor widgets, and it's all editable. To begin, we will concentrate on the slider carousel effect. You may wonder why it's not working. This slider effect functions exclusively on the front end, which is why it doesn't operate in the editor. You can open the preview and check it out. As you can see, it works well on Elementor. Let's check the next slider on the testimonial section. It's perfect. The next one is accordion effect. This effect is frequently utilized in the frequency and questions section. Please be aware that this feature is exclusively functional on the front end as well. Right now, let's check the responsiveness. Everything looks smooth. You can zoom out the page to check it more closely. This size is optimized for mobile devices, and all content is perfectly tailored to fit the screen. This approach will significantly streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. When updating content for the accordion, you can simply click on the widgets or navigation taskbar. In the footer, we've got repeater elements for nav links. You can duplicate menu items to add more links. Editing the content is super easy. Similarly, you can get the same results in Gutenberg, Breakdance. If you are designers, you can transfer data into Figma. Click on Export and hit the Copy button. The data is now copied to the clipboard. Go ahead to your Figma file and paste it there. In this stage, you can customize your designs with Figma Control. With UIBrainX, you can easily share your ideas with clients in a straightforward way. It's a pretty handy tool for that. Sometimes the design might not transfer perfectly, but you can totally tweak it to make it work. If you're a Breakdance user, you can follow the same steps. Installing our plugin is an essential setup. Similarly, click on Export button to export data. Then paste data into your Breakdance site. Press Ctrl or Command and V keyboard. Just hold on for a moment and you'll see the outcome. To achieve optimal results in Breakdance, ensure that the main wrapper section is set to full width. Next, modify the parameters for padding, set it to 0 pixels, for instance. Similar to Elementor, the slider only works on front end. To adjust the content of Accordion, click directly on it. This is the outcome in Breakdance Builder. During the data transfer into bricks, we apply the same processing steps. Installing plugin and export data. On your bricks page, simply press Ctrl or Command along with V to paste your data effortlessly. The same as in other page builders, you can start to justify content or any element. All native bricks elements, and it's all editable. This is the slider effect. It only works on front end. And here is an accordion part. You can switch things up using the navigation bar. Let's take a look at the preview results. We got the same result as in UIBrainX. Ultimately, we will verify the outcome using Gutenberg. On your native WordPress page, simply press Ctrl or Command along with V to paste your data effortlessly. We've encountered a slight issue with the header, but you can adjust the position with our control. For other tasks, everything operates seamlessly. If you use our soft-like block, you can grab the shortcode and easily stick this page wherever you want. Alright, that's it. We just created a modern, fully responsive homepage using AI in under 15 minutes. So go ahead and give it a try. You might be surprised how fun and easy building a website can be.